Okay everybody, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a golf ball using 3D Max X8. First, as always, we start file, reset, and press yes. Okay. Now, from the geometry, we're gonna select geosphere, not the normal sphere, it's geosphere. Okay. I'm gonna create a 2v1 with 124 radius and 8 for segments like this. Make sure it's 120 and 8. Sure the normal default geobase type with Akusa like this. Okay, we can press F4 to see and then convert to editable poly like this and select the edge from here or from here anywhere you want. Okay, and Control A at your keyboard to select all edge for, or you can select it like this and the same way or give the same results. Okay, and here, sorry, from the, let's see, here from the edge like this, we're gonna select the chamfer, this one. Okay, press on the square next to it and select 4.75 and we press enter. It become more like this. You see the lines become duplicate or two lines. Make sure that it's 475. That's why I told you to make sure it's 120 for radius and 8 for segment, and then we hit OK. Now during we select it, we press Ctrl and then select the poly like this. So we select everything like this. Let's hide it again and select whole project or whole geometry we created. Now from the bevel things, here from the bevel things, let's say we select by poly like this exactly and change the height to -1 and the outline amount to -4 like this exactly, and we press OK. Bevel polygons like this by poly -1 and -4 and we hit OK. Now let's make render. It's gonna take more time because it has more details. See, it like a golf ball a little, but it's need more work. So here from the geometry panel, or sorry, from the editable panel, we're gonna select something called mesh smooth, which is make it more smooth like this. Okay, and it's gonna take a little time. You see the watch next to the mouse, so it's mean it's need more time, and we change it to 2. Make sure it's just 2, because it's if you bought 3 or 5, it's gonna take more time, and maybe you're not stuck because it's not used for the graphics designer. It's just a normal PC I have here, so make sure it's just 2. See, it's even with 2, it takes a lot of time to make it done. And now we're gonna wait to see the render results. We are pressing for the to see the rendering. See, it takes a long time just to see the result for a golf ball like this. That's why I told them, it's too slow. See, it's take a long time because we put here 2. You can keep it one, but it's don't look more real like 2. So we're gonna wait for a little and see the result when it's 2. Okay, it should be work right now, I think. We should wait for a little just to see the results. It's just 120, it's big ball, let's say, so it's take a lot of time like this exactly. Now we're gonna make a render, see the result for ball. See the detail for each phase, look up how many lines we have, which is make a load or UPC, or let's say when you make a render exactly. So we should wait that result. Now it's going to come in any minute. Let's see how it's look. We're just waiting and waiting. Yeah, it's a rendering screen become right now, and let's see. It's gonna take a long time, I think. Imagine if you imagine for this ball. This is the PS used before we used mesh small look. We have lines and let's say hard edge here. But now when we make the render again after that we use the mesh, which will take a few minutes, I think. The numbers here are not real. It's not gonna take this time, I think. But it's now we are waiting just to hide this line. You can see it. This lines I'm talking about, or let's say this hard edge, we can see here. So let's see if the result gonna be okay or not. But we are waiting. Let's see. We are waiting now. It's gonna preparing objects like what is right here. It should fill right off. We are waiting. It's gonna. Let's see. It's 2 minutes. Anyway, I can make step for it and Now you can see the result. I pause the video recording just to make it small video and I upload for the internet. So this is the golf ball we are talking about right here. So you can just change the color for it from brown to be white one, and it's good. That's a tutorial I think, and it can help you very well. Thank you for joining and have a good one. Bye.